Hi guys, welcome back. So this is part 2 of March 31st, Tuesday, March 31st schedule. So I'm just going to do a quick intro of what the Unit 1 unit is all about, creation story / who am I, and then you guys will take your own time to watch this video. We're not going to be recording this video. It's on YouTube, but here's the link right here. So just follow it, watch it, and it gives you a really nice, fun introduction to different types of creation myths and what creation myths are all about. So, Unit 1, like I said, creation story / who am I. So, who am I part is just introducing yourself, really, and it's the idea that creation stories are a lot about cultures telling their own stories of how they started and how they think their culture began or their world began in their view with their gods or God or just how their religion started. So that's goes back to the who am I? Who are we as a people? Who am I personally? So that's what your first project is going to be. It's going to be a mini little project that's not with your Unit 1. So that's going to be that assignment that's due in Google Classroom on Thursday, the 2nd. And you're answering these questions. So, with a picture of yourself in a document, if you're comfortable with the picture, of course. I'm not going to pressure you if you're not comfortable taking a picture of yourself. Give a summary of who you are to me. What is your favorite hobby? Do you play any sports? What is your home life like? What's your favorite school subject? What's your favorite animal? Give me favorites. Tell me about you. Tell me what your life is like. And also, I want to check in on you guys. How are you doing with this quarantine thing? It's already driving me a little crazy. Are you going a little stir crazy as well? Do some of your family members still have to work, or are you guys all quarantined together? Tell me about your life. Tell me about your siblings. If you have any siblings, are you an only child? Tell me about your religious beliefs. Go ahead. This is a mythology class and a legends and a world language class. So a lot of religions of different types are going to be put in this. So it might affect your views and it might add to your views, which is great. So tell me about yourself in a document, preferably with a picture just so I can match your words to a face. But again, not going to pressure you with the picture. Obviously, if you're not comfortable with it, that's your own personal choice. And again, like I said, watch this video. So tomorrow, Wednesday, April 1st video, I'm going to give you another vocabulary word and to add to your collection. And then I'm also going to give you another video that goes even further in depth with creation myths for different cultures. And then I'm going to be reading a example of a creation myth. So you guys get an understanding with a text of what that looks like. Okay, so that'll be 2 videos. That'll be the instruction video, and then it'll be the video of me reading Old Man the Creator and kind of analyzing it as we go, or analyzing it in the end. Okay? So that's the end of this video. It's much shorter. I just wanted to give you a separate Unit 1 video, which is going to be linked right here, part 2. So by the time you see this, obviously it's going to be linked right here. So that is the end of today's lesson. I hope you are excited about this first unit of mythology. Creation stories are really interesting. I love them all. They're really fun to read, so I hope you enjoy reading them as well. I will get those links to you right now. As I am making this video, I don't have the links, but I will have the links to you as soon as possible. So, have a good day.